Hi, can a pair of bold, risky boots really elevate your style, or are they truly a fashion faux pas? Now, I've recently purchased a pair of quite risky boots, and I'd really like to explore with you whether I can actually pull the look off. So, in order for me to sort of present that to you, I've taken two approaches. I've styled the boots for a night look and also styled them for a day look. So with your indulgence, I would love to hear back from you whether you think I can actually pull the looks off. So let's jump into it, shall we? So, is that a yes to elevating your style, or is that a no? Do you think they are a fashion faux pas? I would really love to hear from you in the comments section below as to what your thoughts were. Now, from a wearing point of view, they were simply like walking on cushions. The inside of those boots is nice, fleecy sort of line, so it kept my legs lovely and warm in those very cold days and nights. Now, if you'd like to find out a little bit more about the particular boots, there is a description link down below, so you can find out that little bit more about them. Now, if you've not already subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it if you would do so. Also like and share if you possibly can. Now in this festive season, I hope you are all in a very good place. I'm looking forward to the new year, but there's still quite a lot of content to come. So all I need to say at this particular point, as I always do, is please stay safe, stay gorgeous, and until the next time, bye bye.